Hi there. Today I am making a spread in my traveler's notebook using some papers and elements that I printed out from the September Good Life bundle from DigitalScrapbook. I have here two photos from this summer at the Oregon coast. And to begin, I'm just going through my alpha stickers to pick out some alphas for the title, which is going to go there on the right side. These large black and white letters I bought at Home Depot, actually. I think they're for labeling addresses, maybe on your mailbox, but they are great. I love how bold they are, so I often pick some up whenever we're at Home Depot. Here I'm sticking my letters down on a ruler just so I can lay them out a bit straighter and a bit more in line on the page. And here I'm using my label maker just to type in the fun at the Oregon coast, or the at the part of the title. Alright, so I've just stapled my two photos together and I'm just going to layer some different papers behind. I have here a piece of vellum and then I'll add in some doily, which is usually what I do every time I do anything at my craft table. Then I have a few other scrap papers I'll throw in, as well as a few more papers from the Good Life bundle. Here's a little piece of plaid paper from the bundle that I'm just tucking behind, and there is a little tag that says "One Fine Day," which I printed out and cut out. Now I'm just punching a hole in that little clip and picking out a few final elements. And then I will put a little bit of twine in the clip at the top. Thanks so much for watching my video today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, please give me a thumbs up below and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot.